Facial reconstruction of historical figures. Unveiling the faces of the past. Facial reconstruction is a fascinating intersection of science, art, and history. It allows us to peer into the past, giving faces to the names that shaped our world, from ancient rulers to unsung heroes. This process breathes life into historical figures, offering a tangible connection to bygone eras. In this article, we'll explore the techniques, challenges, and significance of facial reconstruction, as well as its role in modern storytelling. 1. What is facial reconstruction? Facial reconstruction is the process of recreating the appearance of an individual based on their skeletal remains. This technique combines forensic science, anthropology, and artistic interpretation to produce lifelike representations of historical figures. Scientists analyze bone structures to determine key features like skull shape, jawline, and eye placement. Soft tissue depth markers are used to estimate muscle and skin layers. Artists then layer clay or digital models to create a realistic face. 2. The science behind it. The process begins with a detailed examination of the skull. Using CT scans and 3D modeling, researchers map out anatomical landmarks. Forensic anthropologists study the cranium to infer age, gender, and ethnicity. DNA analysis can provide additional clues about hair color, skin tone, and other traits. Advanced software tools simulate how muscles and skin would naturally drape over the bones. 3. Famous examples of facial reconstruction. Some of the most iconic reconstructions have brought legendary figures back to life. King Tutankhamun, his reconstructed face revealed a youthful, delicate appearance, challenging earlier stereotypes of Egyptian pharaohs. Mary, Queen of Scots, her reconstruction showed a striking resemblance to portraits, validating their accuracy. Richard III, the discovery of his remains led to a digital reconstruction that matched historical descriptions. 4. Challenges in reconstruction. Despite its advancements, facial reconstruction is not without limitations. Skeletal remains may be incomplete or damaged, complicating the process. Cultural biases can influence artistic interpretations. DNA evidence is not always available, leaving gaps in the final representation. 5. Applications beyond history. Facial reconstruction has practical uses beyond archaeology and history. Forensic investigations, helping identify victims of crimes or disasters. Medical training, teaching students about anatomy and facial structure. Entertainment industry, creating realistic characters for films and video games. 6. Ethical considerations. Reconstructing faces raises ethical questions about privacy and respect for the deceased. Should we recreate the faces of individuals who lived centuries ago? How do we balance scientific curiosity with cultural sensitivity? 7. The role of AI in facial reconstruction. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this field by automating parts of the process. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast data sets of human faces to predict features. AI tools enhance accuracy and reduce the time required for reconstructions. CapCut's AI creator offers innovative solutions for generating visuals tied to historical narratives. 8. Why does it matter? Facial reconstruction bridges the gap between history and humanity. By seeing the faces of those who came before us, we gain a deeper understanding of their lives and contributions. It fosters empathy and connection across generations. It inspires curiosity about the past. It enriches educational experiences through immersive storytelling. 9. Future of facial reconstruction. As technology advances, so too will the possibilities for facial reconstruction. Virtual reality could allow users to interact with reconstructed figures in immersive environments. Blockchain might ensure authenticity and traceability of reconstructions. Collaborative platforms like CapCut enable creators to bring these stories to life visually. 10. Conclusion. Facial reconstruction is more than just a scientific endeavor. It is a journey into the heart of human history. By combining cutting-edge technology with creative vision, we can honor the legacies of those who shaped our world. Whether you're a historian, artist, or storyteller, tools like CapCut make it easier than ever to share these incredible stories with a global audience.